Sit down, sit down. No, no. Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to another fishing adventure. Back to the channel, 10LA, small town angler. So what I got in store for today is actually a let me get it here. A Rebel Pop-R challenge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to take these two, both these two Rebel poppers here. These are the Magnum Pop-Rs by Rebel. I'm gonna take these two and go and try to catch a bass on each one, or fish. You never know. Might have something else come up pop. You never know. Sometimes it happens. But yeah, so that's what this morning's video is gonna be. It's gonna be a little Rebel Pop-R Rebel challenge. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these two poppers rigged up, and now we'll see y'all on the water. All right, so here we are. Got them rigged up. So this is the Bone Magnum Pop-R here, and this is the Sexy Shad Pop-R here that we're gonna throw them. So I think we're gonna go ahead and go with the Sexy Shad first. Try to get this bait knocked off. Oh my gosh, that was... See if we can get to him real quick. Ooh. I just posted like a little quick clip. Coming to another spot here. I've actually shot some videos here. It's a creek. Tends to be loaded with some pretty good bass in here. So I'm actually gonna try. These are bigger poppers now, so I don't know how well they're gonna do here. But you know, hey, that's what the challenge for the day is catch bass, catch fish on those 2 poppers. So you know, throughout I might switch it up, you know, throw a different lure, just get some, you know, just get some fish, to have some fish, you know, fish on film, other fish on film, just in case, you know, for the day, you know, we don't get no hits on the popper. Sometimes that happens, you know, sometimes fish just aren't biting what you're throwing or what you're trying to throw. So but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple more things set up here, and I will see y'all on the water. All right, so I'm walking up here to the walking upstream here. Ooh, I end up waded across that little section of creek right there, back there, and seen where the bass were kind of hanging out, at least one of them, and he seen me, and he didn't bolt off or anything, but that was about all she wrote for that one, because he seen me and he didn't have nothing to do with anything I was throwing at him. I threw a little Ned rig and some shake at him. He just kind of, you know, just kind of kept away from everything. So then he ended up disappearing there. Yeah, it's probably like 15 degrees cooler in the shade here, it feels like. It feels pretty nice. I'm trying to stand as far back from the edge as I can, because these fish, they see you, they don't want nothing to do with anything, it seems like. I mean, they're as big as the lure is. I don't know what the thing they're gonna do with it. That'd been pretty funny though if one of them did hit it, go for it. Let's see if he wants a little wormy. Ooh, dang, missed him. That was probably a little Brent. Oh, nope. Got him. Oh, he spit it. Dang it. I'm not gonna lie, like I've been missing fish today like I ain't ever missed before, so I'm just having an off day today. Do not know what's going on with me. I have not been able to get that hook set today. I don't know, I've had 4 or 5 fish, I believe, come off today. I seen the bass, kind of just seen his belly turn. I knew he had it, and I don't know, man, I was just not setting the hook hard enough. You start giving it a little more oomph. I guess I'd rather yank it out, maybe yank the lure out of his mouth rather than lose the fish. So I'll just start swinging for the fences a little more often. As soon as this weather started acting up, I got that bite too, pretty quick there. So I guess for at least a moment, momentarily, that weather's going to help. Ooh, missed him. He had it in his mouth. Straight up missed him. Golly. Oh yeah, I got him. Ah, yes. Get him up here. Woo! There we go. First bass of the day. Monkey off her back. Woo! Yes. Kiss for good luck. Thanks, bud. Oh, a good idea. I was just concerned about that swim head on there like that, but it moves quite well. It's got really good action. I like it. And then you can kind of jig it in a way like I make it nose dive a little bit, but it don't dive too awful fast. It's not like a straight, you know, it doesn't just like slam down to the ground, you know, bottom of the water. It kind of takes its time a little bit getting there. There we go, same spot. Got him. Got him. No, we got off. Dang it. I guess. Oh, here we go. Man, he's just grabbing the tail. Dang it. Yep, see? Grab that tail. And tree again. Here we go. So we can hang on to this one, huh? Oh, wow. I cannot believe it just happened. I set my lure in the water there to unwrap the tip of my hook, and a bass come up and try to eat it. That was cool. I'm just kind of jigging. I'm just letting it hit the bottom, kind of popping it up. I'm swimming it real slow. Just trying different things, kind of finding out what they're keen on exactly. Got him. Stay down. Oh. Got him. Got him. Woo! Yes. Got him. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Woo! Oh, don't hook me, guy. Got him. There we go. That's the Sexy Shad popper. Completed right there. Beautiful little bass. There we go. Woo! Knew I found him down here. All right, let's go. Let's look at the other pot we're throwing on real quick. I see some more activity. Hottest part of the day. Completing the daggum. Got a popper knocked off. Whew. Got the bone colored Pop-R Magnum Pop-R on here, so we can get it knocked off the list. We just got the Sexy Shad knocked off. Pretty surprised. I mean, I was just kind of throwing it just to throw it, and you know, I noticed some fish coming up here on top water, and so I figured, well, why not? Let's just go ahead and go ahead and throw the popper a little bit. All right, so we're back out. I suppose about an hour later, maybe, if that. But still got this the bone colored Pop-R here to get knocked off this list. I'm gonna go ahead and try. Oh, he got it. He got it. Yes. So, come on, baby. Sit down. Sit down. No. Oh. I knew I should have let him fight more. I was gonna let him fight more if I just brought him up out of the water, and I didn't. He fought back and pulled that hook loose. Whew. That's what I get for being impatient there. Man, that was the first cast back out here. Let's see if there's another one. Usually been more than one hanging out, so he was fighting hard too. He really was. Hit my drag pulling. I should have let him fight for a little bit and then went ahead and brought him in. I don't know why I didn't. Well, I don't know what I was thinking there. That wasn't the smartest thing to do. Just try to yank him up while he's still fighting hard like that. That'd be cool to get the same one to hit though. That was a good little bass, decent bass. Back upstream. A couple refreshments and cooled off there. Getting that cooler part of the day. Still a little warm, but definitely not like it was earlier. Got him. Got him. Woo! Yes. Easy, bud. Easy, 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 easy. Second popper down. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is a nice feeling there. All right, that's the Bone Rebel popper right there, taken care of. That's the Pop-R challenge is completed.
Whew, that's what I'm talking about. It was definitely a grind. That's been, try some different lures here since we got those poppers popped off, because you know, after all, this is a fishing channel, so we got that challenge completed. How did I know it? Me and fishing in the rain. At least we're in some trees here, so maybe the rain won't be too awful bad. Here comes the pour down. But in my experience so far in the rain, a worm does a wee bit better. I'm going to get my phone in there. Some pliers out. Actually, do want to try a bit. I got some new Ned rigs here. Canadian crawl. Pretty cool looking. Prettiest little rig up there, but I think that'll work. Put y'all a little higher up and kind of aim that screen down. That way I can keep that water off the screen there. Ooh, got one. Yes, come on baby. Woo, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, in the rain. Yes, choke that lure there. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! There we go. Got it out. Beautiful little bass. Kiss for good luck. Thanks, bud. Woo! Yeah. I enjoy this whole fishing in the rain kind of thing. I mean, I just caught, you know, my first fishing in the rain video I had fishing in the rain. I was doing some perch fishing. I ended up catching that big I had that light tackle. I ended up catching that. It's one of my, I can't remember, maybe my second video that I've had posted on my channel. And ended up catching that big bass there. It caught him right after the rain kind of started clearing up. And then here recently, I actually just caught a big bass. Like, I think, if I remember correctly, the bass was 3 pounds 9 ounces, and I caught him, you know, off a worm right in the rain as well. So I'm starting to kind of like this whole fishing in the rain thing here. It's definitely hasn't been affecting the fishing too bad lately. You know, it's like, you know, I'm already soaked from sweat. I'm already, you know, drenched. So what's a little rainwater? It's been that hot lately. It's hard to keep dry without, you know, having maybe even a couple extra sets of clothes on you for the day. Look at that fish just come up right there. Nah, keep the eye on there. I mean, I'm pretty high up, but you know how when water, flash floods and stuff like that, water can rise real quick. And I don't know what we've had up north of us, you know, north of here. That could play a big role in how fast your body of water rises as well, on like creeks and rivers and such anyways. I caught another one right as in the GoPro. The SD card starts to mess up for some reason. This is my other SD card too. That little guy, look at that, he choked that lure there. Not a real big bass, but that is a good, healthy looking bass. There we go. Put the hook out. Another healthy creek bass right there. Kiss for good luck. Here we go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. All right. So I think a catch is a good way to end the video. Unfortunately, I would like to keep recording and show some more footage, but my GoPro is almost dead. So I want to go ahead and just close out, do my outro for the day. It's been an awesome day. It's been really fun. It's been a grind, that's for sure. We didn't start getting bites or getting catches till about the hottest, into the hottest part of the day, and had to really grind. Really, it's definitely been a grind today. It's been a challenge, and but hey, we got the challenge. The main objective of today was to get those pop bars, catch bass on each of those, and we did that. So that's awesome. I'm really glad for that. That's really awesome. Got the challenge completed. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please smash that thumbs up button. If y'all like to continue seeing videos like this, the challenges like that, just get a couple lures and just go out and try to catch fish on them. Have a day to do it. I'll probably spent roughly about, I'm gonna go ahead and say like about 4 to 6 hours of actual fishing that I've done today. But we caught quite a few fish, some pretty decent ones and a little bit smaller ones, but hey, a fish is a fish, and it's still a fun. I'm really excited that I'm able to bring y'all along with me. Thank y'all for viewing. Thank you for support on my channel of YouTube as well as Instagram. I really appreciate it. So thank y'all, and to the next fishing adventure. Chest bump. I'm out.